Hello, y'all. It's me, Charlene. My hair is back. My hands are washed. Let's get to cooking. Today we're going to make Chile Colorado. Not really, but that's what the person that taught my husband how to make this called it. The real Chile Colorado takes a while, and you need I can't remember what kind of meat. I think it's a roast or stew meat or something like that. I'm not using that. The way it was, the way it was taught to my husband was a super easy way. So what I'm starting with is rice. I used my rice cooker to cook 2 scoops. I'm going to say cups. It's not really cups. It's the cup that comes with the rice cooker. I used 2 of those cups of rice and 4 of those cups of water. So if you're not using a rice cooker that has its own special cup, it'll be 2 cups of rice, 2 real cups of rice, and 4 real cups of water. Okay. Anywho, let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so there's my rice. Now, this is not a pretty dish, but this is a delicious dish. And I am so happy that somebody brought this for a potluck at my husband's work and taught him how to make it. Get it out of the way. Okay. Now, seriously, it sounds disgusting. And it's not the prettiest, but it is delicious. So what you're going to add to that rice is you can use chili with no beans, or you can use chili with beans and add your own beans. Chili with no beans and add your own beans, or you can use chili with beans. I'm using chili with beans. And dump that on in. Sorry, I know I sound a little odd. I'm just trying to get over, I don't know if it was allergies or what it was, but it knocked me out for a whole day. I was in bed sick yesterday. All day. The entire day. Okay. So that was a can of chili. Next, I'm going to add a can of sloppy Joe sauce. Dump that right on in. And that's why I should always wear an apron. All right. So now you turn your fire on because you want to get all this nice and hot. Mix it, mix it, mix it real good. Well, I guess I could have made an extra cup of rice. But that's okay. I like it saucy. All you gotta do is let it get hot and eat it. Now, how's that for easy? Quick and easy and delicious. Okay, I'll be back when this gets hot. Alrighty, this has been bubbling and hissing and yeah, it's hot. But look at that. And of course, being diabetic, I can't have a whole lot. That's maybe half a cup.
Can I put cheese on mine?
I don't care. Okay. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Actually, I guess if you want to, if you like cheese on top of your chili, put some cheese on there.
That's what it says.
If you want to, go ahead.
Okay. All of it?
I don't care if you want that much. I don't think there's that much in there. I like American cheese, so I'm going to stick me a slice of American cheese on there. And as I said, I probably sound grumpy and everything else. I'm not. It's just I have a sore throat. Excuse me. Ignore my dirty dishes. As I said, I was in bed all day yesterday. My dogs are weird. That is so good. Give this a try. So easy, so fast. The longest thing is cooking the rice. Anywho's, see you next time. Bye.